Hello, right now you are looking at my bin with my current skincare, or I should say my body care. Now, obviously I have too many, but I'm getting bored of something, or there are days when my skin feels dry. That's when I'm gonna use the body butter, but when I need something lightened, yeah, I'm gonna go for a lotion. So at least let me show you what I got. I got the Vaseline Cocoa Body Butter. It smells like cocoa. So if you're fan of a chocolate, for sure you're gonna enjoy this one. Yeah, it has a texture of a butter, but it does hydrate. I'm sure they also have the same one as a lotion, but I do enjoy the butter and I don't mind repurchasing in the near future. Okay, I have here grapefruit body butter. Now it says body butter, but it has consistency of a body lotion. It smells amazing. It smells like grapefruit. So since now the weather is changing, I can easily finishing this one up. Alright, then I have a samples of the CeraVe or CeraVe moisturizing lotion for itchy skin. So I didn't start this one yet, but I did start this. I think I'm like halfway. It's a lotion which will prevent itchiness. I'm not sure if you can see the. No, don't even give it the ingredients. But yeah, we have the active one as. Come on, focus. Okay. Anyways, so far I like it. No, I'm not gonna repurchase because I have many products to go through. But for sure, I'm gonna finish the samples. This I have it in a recent haul. It's the Bioderma Nourishing Cream. I do like it. It doesn't smell bad. It's a lotion which will help with your skin. I do enjoy this product. It has lipids and also it will help your skin with production of the hyaluronic acid. So yes, it does hydrate. And the next day your skin technically it feels better. And yes, I do like it, and for sure I'm gonna repurchase it. Then we have the Whip Body Balm from Neutrogena. That's their Hydro Boost line. Yeah, so it has a whippy texture. I think I already used one of those, and I do like it, so I don't mind. However, what I prefer more is their lotion. When I put this on a damp skin, it does hydrate your skin, and also it leaves nice and plump. Plus, you're getting a huge bottle. So yes, it is worth it. Then we have the avocado oil. I have a body butter from the same company, and I did enjoy it. However, because summer is coming, I want to try the body lotion. If it does the same thing as the body butter, I will see. Yeah, I didn't open it yet, so I cannot tell you. Garnier body lotion with, come on, how you call this? With maple syrup. Here we go. I cannot buy this in the US or in Canada, so when I'm traveling, I either buy in one of the countries in Europe or in UK. But yes, it does hydrate your skin. Like if you have very, very dry skin, this one, it's perfect. So if you see the Garnier lotion in a red bottle, for sure pick it up. Next one is the balm from Vichy. It says balm, and yes, this is a balm. It's rich in texture, it's heavy in texture, but it does hydrate. Need a help, or your skin need a help, this is perfect. if your skin suffers and you're familiar with the oats, also goat milk, it's a good ingredient. This is from the Canus brand. It has a specific smell. It's like a fresh linen scent, but you're gonna get used to it. I do like it, and it's a lotion, so it goes, it's not heavy. Here we go. It's really nice and does hydrate and suit your skin. Now, I do enjoy the goat milk products, so for sure I'm gonna either pick up another one or try different brand. But yeah, this is a good item. So yeah, this is a body care which I'm currently using. And yeah, once I'm gonna finish one or two of them, for sure you're gonna see them in my empties. Okay, till the next video. Bye.